What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you guys an entry that I found on silver today, during New York session. Right. I remember what I always say. First and foremost, we gotta find our trend. Right. What trend do you think this is? Yep, it's an uptrend. Keeps making higher lows and high highs. Right. Now, what time do we normally trade and look for entries? If it's not London session and it's New York session, we are looking for 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 11 Eastern Standard Time. Alright, and we're looking for our target, which is up here. Okay, so why is price reacting like this? First of all, look at the time, it's 9 a.m. and I could guarantee you it's probably going to be a fair value gap down here. 1 minute. Oh, look at that. There's a fair value gap here. Stretch it out. Alright. See that price came down here. It probably took out an equal lows too. Look. Equal lows right here. Right into the fair value gap, and look how it reacted. Alright, so it's safe to say we can enter this, honestly. Alright. Put our stop loss below the initial start of the fair value gap, which is down here. So as this started the fair value gap, this red candle right here started the fair value gap. So our stop loss is gonna be below that. Alright. And we're gonna put our target up here. So I see we get a nice entry somewhere on here. Alright. Yeah, that's a nice little entry. Okay, so again, it's the higher lows and high highs it's the high highs that just kept getting taken out. That's how I know it's gonna be an uptrend. High from the higher low here. Broke back up here from the high. Came down at a fair value gap here. Reacted it off of that from the higher low. And now it's trying to break this high over here. Alright, so you keep making ups. So where you think it could go? Up here. Alright, look at the time. It always reacts around this time. Yep. So it looks like price is indeed going up. I've already entered it. I've already entered the trade. I have a strong belief that it's gonna go up here and take out this target. No. Look, it already made a fair value gap here. So if you wanted to, you could stack again when price gets in there, but I've already entered the trade, and we're gonna see. Yeah, I've already entered the trade on MetaTrader 5, and we're gonna see what happens. It's crazy, right? So it literally reacted. This little tiny 1 minute fair value gap right here is what made, and it didn't even go all the way down. It just touched it, tapped it. And this little tap around 9 a.m. is what pushed it up. So we just gotta wait and see what happens next. If price decides to come down here and tap me in, I'm gonna enter again and see what happens. especially since in this situation, if we really paying attention, right, you can see that price was making mini downtrends here. It was breaking this higher highs and higher lows. Alright, it broke it down, formed the lower high here, broke this lower low, made this lower low here, shot back up to make another lower high, came back down to make another lower low, shot up to make another lower high, came down to make another lower low. Then now it just shot up and broke this lower high that it made originally. Lower high was broken, so breakup structure was around here. Breakup structure was around here. Right, so now it's safe to say it's definitely gonna go up. See, look, it's just expanding, it doesn't even care anymore. Alright, so right now I only have one position in at around this area right here. It would be nice for it to come back down so I can get another position in, but it's fine. It's fine. I think I entered 3 times around here. And if price comes back down here, I'll enter for another 4th entry. Yep. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I ended up falling asleep after the entry, so I came back and checked it, and it looks like price played up from my entry point. Price never really came back down. It looks like it played around after the breakup structure and held its own. Looks like it was in it for over. It looks like it hit target within an hour. Yeah, within an hour of me entering around 9:07ish, 9:05. It hit at around 9:53 a.m. in the morning and flew up. Looks like it's coming back down now, but that's fine because I already got my profits. I already hit the high over here. And that should be good. So let me check how much I made for my entry. So I entered on MT5. Let's see how much I made. So after my entry, I made $54,725 today. Wasn't that bad. So I'm done for today. Yeah, I'm done for today. Yep, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. And should be good. Yep, so I'm done for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See if we can catch another trade on gold or silver, but today was pretty good for silver. Alright. See you guys on the next video. If you guys would like to check out more videos on fair value gaps and how I utilize them for entries every single day, please check out my other videos. And I also have a playlist showing how to trade fair value gaps and a playlist giving examples on how I trade them. Thank you guys, and see you guys on the next video.